7 ways to get freebies on TEMU, a complete, quick guide. We're diving today into the amazing world of TEMU, where you can grab some incredible deals and, believe it or not, get stuff for absolutely free. Whether you're eyeing some summer essentials or looking to spice up your home decor, TEMU has got you covered. So stick around as I walk you through 7 ways to unlock free goodies on TEMU, plus some insider tips and hacks you won't want to miss. 1. TEMU coupon codes. First up, coupon codes. TEMU often releases special codes that can give you instant discounts or even free items. If you're new there, use the code AAH64133 when signing up to snatch a $100 coupon and a jaw-dropping 90% discount on your first purchase. But hurry, these deals won't last forever. 2. TEMU Affiliate Program. Let's talk about the TEMU Affiliate Program. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn free gifts exclusively discounts. It's a fantastic way to get more from your TEMU experience while sharing the love with your audience. Head to TEMU Affiliate Program site, sign up, and start making money with TEMU. 3. TEMU Influencer Program. For the influencers in the house, the TEMU Influencer Program might be your ticket to freebies. Partner with TEMU can get you access to free products to showcase to your followers. It's a win-win. 4. TEMU Free Credit. Always keep an eye for TEMU's free credit giveaways. These credits are good, such as cash on the platform, letting you to shop without spending a dime from your pocket. 5. TEMU Ambassador Program. Becoming a TEMU Ambassador Program can unlock exclusive deals and free items. If you love TEMU and enjoy sharing your finds with friends, this could be the perfect fit for you. 6. Exclusive offers and promotions. TEMU is always buzzing with promotions and special offers that include free items with free shipping, or buy more, get more deals. These promotions are a great way to maximize your haul without inviting friends to join. And lastly, 7. TEMU Unlocked. And for those who prefer to fly solo, TEMU Unlocked is your go-to. This feature allows you to get your hands on coveted items repeatedly without the need to invite others or wait on referrals. Don't forget to follow TEMU on social media for contests and giveaways. Get creative with YouTube Shorts and TikTok showcase your TEMU finds and attract referrals. Also, always stay tuned for TEMU's app or website for the latest promotions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.